to be within earshot of you.
Hey everybody, this is Kyle Fowler with Go Easy Aerobatics. We're here at the Island Airport in Toronto for the Canadian International Airshow. I'm here with my funny little backwards airplane, and I'll be one of the performers flying in the show. We've got aircraft taking off. It is an air show day.
Hello, my name is Gordon Price. I'm from Meaford, Ontario, and I'm flying in the Canadian International Airshow. So in my display today, I will have loops, rolls, snap rolls, variations of rolls, flat spins, lumps of axe, tail slides, and some very tight turns. I'll be pulling 7G and pushing probably 4.5.
My name is Greg Hume-Powell. I'm the a wingman for the Northern Stars Aero Team. So Northern Star Aero Team number 3. So it's a 15-minute precision aerobatics formation performance. Lots of smoke, lots of exciting crosses. We do full-up aerobatics, rolls, loops, splits, similar to what the snowbirds do. And yeah, in the Pit Special, which is a proven air show performer and an exciting aircraft to watch.
Good morning, Canada. I'm Louis Horschel. I'm from Western New York. So I was born and raised in Springville. I'm here today presenting MadMax P-51 Mustang. So I'll be flying all types of loops and rolls, vertical rolls, and everything you can do with a Mustang. So I'll be coming in at about 400 miles an hour to start. The airplane is capable over 500 miles an hour. So it's just an amazing piece of equipment, and very excited to be here at the Toronto Air Show today. So if I go in and don't get out of the airplane, it's probably just a recovery, not a rescue.
I'm Master Corporal Adam Hanna from the Canadian Armed Forces SkyHawks. So the show that we're doing here this weekend is a parachute demonstration. So we have 3 formations that are going to jump out of a plane at 6,000 feet. We're going to put the formations together, and then we're going to fly them in just in front of the crowd here.